Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a key for a 2004 Scion XB. This scenario is the customer has no keys, he lost everything, so we're going to generate a new key from scratch. Throughout the process of the video I'm going to show you how to do that successfully without ordering any key codes from any dealer software or anything like that. We're going to do it directly from the vehicle, and it's quite easy. So stay tuned, and if you pay attention, you'll be able to successfully make a key for a Scion XB. That also applies to any other Scion and pretty much any Toyota as well. Stay tuned and you'll learn a little bit about this. Alright, so all you have to do is remove the door panel. So technically, to remove the panel, there's a screw here handle, screw here, pop this out, screw here, whole panel comes off. This is what you're left with. And what we're going to do, we're going to take the door cylinder off right there. That cylinder is going to come out because the code is actually stamped on it. Alright, so once you remove that door lock, the code is going to be stamped right there. So keep in mind, remove the passenger. Always remove the passenger door lock that has a key code stamped on there. And as you can see, it's a 5-digit pin. It usually starts with a 5 or a 6. Alright, so we went ahead and we removed the passenger door lock. Pretty much every Toyota, ranging from the old ones from like the 1990s till the newest ones that I've seen, the passenger door lock does have the key code stamped. I don't know if you're able to see that, but there's a 5-digit pin right there. There you go, perfect. They all have it stamped, and that right there, if you use a software like Instacode or any other key software, you're able to convert it into the key cuts. And what we do, my machine here obviously already has that system installed, so we're going to go ahead and cut it for you. So we'll go to cut history. We're going to go to Toyota Camry. Same thing, Toyota Camry, Corolla, same thing. So we go to code here, and we're going to get this code right there we have right there. I'm going to type it in. So we have 68439, and we press search. Give it a few seconds for it to find it, and there you go. The cuts are 333-243-1243. Let's cut. Okay, so I'm gonna prep my vise here and put the key in, and I'll see you guys back once I'm actually done with the key and see if the car starts. Okay, so here's the key. So there you have it. That easily.